It is not a good idea to keep your eyes open while kissing. It can appear creepy and is considered a beginner mistake. Smile a little as you lean in to let her know you're excited to kiss her. Avoid making mistakes with these 10 suggestions for first-time kissing girls. Because this video will show you how to kiss a girl for the first time and not mess up, you no longer need to worry that she will pull away when you try to kiss her. These 10 recommendations for how to kiss a girl will ensure that you never make a mistake. In actuality, giving a girl a kiss is a simple technique that not many people can perfect. It's crucial to time your kisses just so, whether you're on a date or in a dark hallway. Guys, be careful not to kiss her too soon or at the wrong time since she might flinch. If you try to kiss her too late, she will become disinterested. So, you'll need some tips to accomplish this. For males who want to kiss a female, the most common concern is that she will pull away at the dreaded time when you pucker up and move in. Keep watching until the end of the video because I will demonstrate how to kiss a girl for the first time without making a mistake. Before we begin, welcome to Divine Happify, where we teach you psychological facts about love and relationships. Let us now return to the video. 10 essential guidelines for your first kiss with a girl. 1. Personal time. Privacy is the most important consideration for males to make when learning how to kiss a female for the first time. The first few seconds of a first kiss with a lady are uneasy before it starts to grow comfortable. Men must avoid all types of distractions for that change to go well, though. It would be preferable if you could spend some time alone with that girl, either in your room, in the car after the date, or in a very peaceful area while you walked her home. It's crucial to choose a location with plenty of solitude, or you risk ruining your chances of kissing her. 2. Steer clear of discussing the kiss. Don't talk about the kiss. How do you make your first kiss on a girl? Avoid discussing it. If you already know that girl, there's a good probability that you've discussed the first kiss with her at some point, either on the phone or while flirting with her in flirtatious texts. But you'd best not talk about it when you're alone with her. In that calm area and the only people there are the two of you. Don't talk about wanting to kiss or have a sexual encounter with her. She and you both are aware that you have discussed it. Therefore, because the two of you just discussed it, you should not complicate the situation by forcing the woman to kiss you. 3. Be aware of the time. In actuality, there might not be anything as perfect a moment for you to kiss your date, especially if you are the one in charge. Guys, unwind and have a seat with that lady. Simply discuss whatever comes up between the two of you. You must make her feel at ease because the more at ease she is, the more likely it is that she will want to share her first kiss with you. Be romantic with her and talk about your day's activities together. 4. Avoid requesting a kiss from her. This should be taken seriously when learning how to kiss a female for the first time. Your girl may be attracted to a chivalrous man because many women fantasize about a knight in shining armor. However, asking her if you can kiss her is not a good idea or a sign of chivalry. In reality, it is an indicator of nervousness. Therefore, you shouldn't ask her whether you can kiss her because you won't be satisfied with the response. If you're into you, there's a good chance that. So even though she could be a little taken aback by your question, she might agree to kiss you. However, in other situations, you won't be successful with that strategy. There is, however, one thing you could do. Gently kiss her on the lips, lean back a little bit while still gazing into her eyes, and ask if you might kiss her. You can physically and sexually tease her this way, and she will frequently approve. As a result, the first kiss will be more passionate. 5. Get closer. Cozying up to her is the best way to warm up your date for the most desirable first kiss. When you're sitting, your buttocks are much closer to her, making it easy for your arm to brush up against her. When you stand several inches away from her body, you enter her personal space. As a result, she will be uncomfortable, but you should not be concerned about her shame. Make it clear that you are trying to get closer to her. Simply converse and flirt with her while nothing happens. Instead, pretend that you're moving in closer unintentionally and aren't aware of it. 6. Increase sex. To increase your chances of a fantastic first kiss, touch the woman you adore frequently. Pass your hand through her hair or along her arm. While touching her, you can compliment her on her lovely hair, sweet-smelling skin, or soft features. If she flushes or smiles when you touch her, She is willing to participate in what you are doing. Try to speak quietly and without making any sudden movements. While talking in her ear, you could lightly brush your fingers along hers. 7. Be clear about your goals. You can speak or say something while bringing your face just a few inches closer to the girl's face. You still observe her lips and eyes while you speak, though. She will then be fully aware of what you are seeing. And of course, her mind will be working just as quickly as yours. 8. Select a good time to kiss. If you follow this advice on how to kiss a lady for the first time, you shouldn't worry about the right or even ideal moment to kiss her because you can almost totally control the situation. But because there has been some silence for a few seconds, you need to give the correct hint and approach closer for the first kiss. Stop talking after that, remain silent, gaze into her own eyes, and stroke her hair with your finger. You are waiting for the perfect moment when she remains silent and returns your gaze. 9. Take your time. Don't destroy the moment when it comes to kissing that female. Men should keep in mind that they must be extremely soft and delicate while giving a female their first kiss. When kissing, you shouldn't try to utilize your tongue too soon. Instead, unwind and savor the sensation of her lips brushing against yours. Keep in mind that you can try new things in the future. You should just concentrate on kissing her gently right now and refrain from becoming aggressive. 10. Avoid getting too excited. How do you make your first kiss on a girl? Well, a lot of guys, especially those who have not had a lot of dating experience, frequently feel overexcited when kissing a female for the first time. Therefore, you must be careful not to let your hands stray too early in the kiss, otherwise it could wind up destroying that beautiful moment since she might stiffen or shove your hands away. Put your hands on that girl's shoulders or the sides of her arms when you kiss her. Gently move it along the sides of her body. Unless you kiss her for a while, avoid placing your hands on her tummy or boobs. It can be awkward if you make contact with her breasts during the first kiss. Even though your first kiss may be awkward, you may manage the situation successfully by using the 10 techniques I've listed above. Everyone has or will have a bad kissing experience at some point in their lives. It's sometimes entirely the man's fault, but you may also be to blame on occasion. Have you ever had a bad kiss? Please tell us everything. Happy kissing!